And this is class 10th CBSE. Chapter name is Arithmetic Progression. Previous year MCQ questions means multiple choice questions. So here, if x plus 1, 3x and 4x plus 2. So arithmetic progression means it is a first term, second term, third term. Or we can say T1, T2, T3. We बोल सकते हैं until a plus n minus 1 into d. General form. Okay. T1, T2, these are arithmetic. First term, second term, third term. This is a sequence. And A2 means A plus D. A3 means A plus 2D. A2, A3 are the terms. First term, second term, third term. So first term is A1 बनता है. A2 means A plus D. The term and the difference. Third term A plus 2D बनता है. Fourth term A plus 3D. Okay. So general for here A plus D, A plus 2D, dash dash A plus n minus 1 into D. So it A1 means first term, A2 means A plus D बनता है, A3 means A plus 2 D. D is a difference. So here arithmetic progression means the term and its difference between the term and preceding term are the difference are the common difference is denoted by D. It's a sequence difference between the term and its preceding term means A2 minus A1. Difference ऐसा रहता है A3 minus A2. So arithmetic it is means first term is x plus 1, second term is 3x and 4x plus 2 are in a AP form. X plus 1 first term बनता है, second term 3x, x plus 1, 3x is a second term, fourth term 4x plus 2. So arithmetic progress means difference same रहता. For example, tables of 2, 4, 6, 8. These are arithmetic progression. Means 4 minus 2 is 2 or 8 minus 2. 8 minus 6 is difference 2 बनता है और 6 minus 4 का difference भी 2 है. 4 minus 2 का difference भी 2 है. This is the example for arithmetic progression. So here difference it is a A1, A2, A3 term. First term, second term, third term है. So we'll write here this is the first term and this is second term and this is third term. So arithmetic progression means difference का common difference का ratio same रहता है. Sorry, difference are same. Ratio means GP बन जाता है. A2 minus A1 equal A3 minus A2. Arithmetic progression का रिलेशनशिप ऐसा रहता है. सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म रहता है, थर्ड टर्म माइनस सेकेंड टर्म रहता है. मीन्स टेबल्स में आता है. सो इट मीन्स सम टेबल्स आर रिलेटेड. फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म. अरेंजमेंट और डिफरेंस सेम रहता है. सो वी कैन राइट A2 माइनस A1, A3 माइनस A2 लिख सकते हैं. सो A2 मीन्स व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ A2 हियर? A2 is 3x. So we can write 3x minus A1 means x plus 1 equal A3 means we can write 4x plus 2 minus A2 means 3x. So we'll put here bracket because A2 value is 3x है, A1 का value x plus 1 है, minus symbol here. Now 3x minus into plus 6 minus x. Bracket means multiplication. So multiplication of symbol. Minus into plus minus and 1 equal 4x minus 3x. 4x minus 3x means subtraction. It become 1x and plus 2. 4x minus 3x बोला तो 1x बनता है plus 2. 3x minus x become 2x. No number means 1 is there. No number means 1 is there. 3x minus x means 2x and minus 1 equal. Now we can take here together here. Yes, 2x plus x इधर आने में minus x बन जाता है. Equal के बाद 2 minus 1 इधर आने में plus 1 बनता है. Okay. So 2x minus x means x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3. So answer is 3. Options are given here. Our question में options दिया हुआ है. So answer is x is equal to 3. Options are given as a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c option are 4, and d option are 5. These options are given here. Okay, so our answer is, so we have to write answer as 3 means we have to write b equal 3 is the answer. Option B.